Tennant Company's 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber provides powerful scrubbing to help you clean stubborn dirt, grime, grease, and oils. Scrubbing with the 5700 XP increases productivity and provides health and safety benefits for your customers and employees. The 5700 XP is easy to operate and improves your facility's image by providing consistent cleaning results, all with a low cost of ownership. The 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber with Tennant's EC H2O technology reduces the total cost to clean your facility by eliminating costs associated with chemical purchases and reducing water use. Reduce your cost to clean with Tennant's 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber, designed to provide excellent sight lines, reducing your cost to repair damage to floors and fixtures. Low operating noise enables energy-saving daytime cleaning in your facility. The optional onboard charger improves your productivity by eliminating the need to transport machines to a dedicated charging location. Tennant's 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber delivers outstanding cleaning performance while providing health and safety benefits for your operators, employees, and customers. The 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber helps provide health and safety benefits with optimal water recovery, even in 180-degree turns, to minimize the risk of slip and fall injuries in your facility. With Tennant's NFSI-certified ECH2O technology, you can reduce chemical usage, chemical handling and storage, and the risk of slip and fall injuries. Reduce mold and bacteria that can grow in enclosed tanks with the easy-to-clean, hygienic solution and recovery tanks. Enhance your facility's image with Tennant's 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber. Improve your facility image with optimal water recovery that maximizes soil removal to ensure clean, streak-free floors. The Power Wand improves cleaning performance compared to manually cleaning areas in your facility where the scrubber can't go. Tennant's 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber features innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance. Intuitive controls are designed to help you simplify training and operation. Spend more time cleaning your facility with a tool-free squeegee replacement that helps save time and simplify maintenance. The convenient debris screen prevents clogged hoses and drains, so you spend less time on maintenance. Tennant's 5700 XP battery-powered walk-behind scrubber provides exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced cost to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use and maintain battery-powered scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.